The truth is finally here. Hello, this is Marty Runick from Top Gun PDR Training, and welcome to another Tips, Tricks, and Tools. Today we're going to be talking about knockdown paddles. Just about everybody that comes through here ends up making one of these. They're super easy to make, and what I like about them is the rubber coating on here. We'll explain how to do that in just a minute. It adds a really nice heft and balance. I think it's so much better than a hammer. Can't even describe how much better I think it is, and just about everybody would agree with that. Now, how you make these: get a wooden paddle from PDR Finesse Tools. Get yourself a can of Plastidip. Comes in various colors. I like red because it's harder to lose. I've lost several of these. Dip it in the can. Take it out slowly like the directions say. Let it set for about 5 minutes like that. Turn it that way for about 3 hours. Let it get nice and dry. Dip it again about 6 times. That's enough of a buildup on there. And then for the handle, this is a Schwinn bicycle grip. Very easy to put on. Get some goof off. It's a kind of a paint remover. You get it at Home Depot or Lowe's. A little bit of goof off on the handle. Swish it around the handle a little bit. Put the paddle on a workbench. Put your grip right above it. Shove it down really hard, and when that goof off dries, it's on there forever. It's not coming off. Okay. And again, guys, what I love about this is the balance. A little bit of extra mass up here. It's just wonderful for using on knockdowns. And while you're at it, take your tab down, put some rubber bands on it. I like rubber bands anyway. It gives me a nice, cushy, soft feel. And again, dip the head about 6 times in Plastidip. And what you'll notice, guys, is it really quiets things down a lot. So if you have a customer watching you, they're not hearing the bang, bang, bang. They're just hearing a nice, soft thunk going on, and it's easier on the ears. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of videos coming down the pipeline, and they'll be well worth watching. We'll see you in the next one.